height of 394 feet up in the air.
You hear that? 394 feet?
Past the top of these two red towers.
You see that?
Over 100 miles per hour in about 3 seconds.
Yep.
Pretty high, pretty fast, right?
Yep.
It's not any important, but please keep your hands on the rails and your head back at all times.
Alright. Is that an iPhone?
Yes.
Any day now, boys.
Oh yeah, one more thing. See?
I thought we were already scared. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened?
Oh fuck! Oh shit! I'm so sorry, shut up!
Why are you not being scared? I feel like we should have done the other one first.
Yeah.
The other one was
Shit.
funner. This one is lame. This one's lame.
Hey, how are you guys doing? Oh my god.
Yeah, we should have done the other one. That one
this one
yeah,
was-
look at it. They're just chilling up there.
How are you guys doing? Are you guys good? Oh god. It wasn't that bad.
You're about to cry. I don't want to hear it.
I'm not.
Yeah,
Shut
you
up.
were. Oh, look, police about to shoot us down.
I can't even see it.
What? Oh, more police.
Case wouldn't have minded that. Yes, he would have actually.
Yeah, he
Would've,
would have. He would have cried.
Like,
That was good. Pretty good. You coming next? You going on that one?
So if you do want to go again, it's only $15 per time for close night.